7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're taking a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is ranked number 30. Bitcoin Cash is trading for $100. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $148 and as low as $98. Bitcoin Cash has a market capitalization of $1.9 billion. In this video, we'll be looking at Bitcoin Cash US dollar price chart. Bitcoin Cash has been dropping from the high it set in May 2021 at 1,500. Bitcoin Cash has come to as low as $100. It has lost 93% of its value. Is it the time to accumulate some Bitcoin Cash? Yes, we're in the bear market. Yes, the market is dumping, but guys, at some point in time, we have to start accumulating some of these altcoins for the next bull run. Is it the time to start accumulating Bitcoin Cash? We'll be talking about that in this video. We're looking at Bitcoin Cash performance against Bitcoin. Should we be flipping our Bitcoin for some Bitcoin Cash right now? We're also looking at Bitcoin Cash performance against Ethereum. And then we're looking at the Bitcoin Cash market cap chart. Are we going to set new all-time lows? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, the point of recording this video, we're having a dip in the altcoin market. Yes, some coins are up, but we had a rally. Right now, the market is tanking. Bitcoin has gone below 20K. Bitcoin Cash still on that $100 region. We don't want Bitcoin Cash to go below $100. If not, it might be lights out. In the last 1 year, Bitcoin Cash is down 78%. In the last 1 month, it's down 37%. Even in the last 1 week, it's down 6.4%. Guys, we had a rally in the altcoin market, but Bitcoin Cash was not one of the coins that participated in that rally. You can see that Bitcoin Cash here from the 30th of June 2020, it just had a little tiny rally, nothing to write home about. Bitcoin Cash went from as low as $98 to as high as $110. That was just a 14% pump. Nothing to write home about. If you think about it, that we have been dumping from May 2021 when Bitcoin Cash went to as high as $1,598. We have been dumping since then, and we first had this first dump right here. The altcoin market tanked in 2021, and Bitcoin Cash included. Bitcoin Cash tanked around 70% from 1,500. Bitcoin Cash came to as low as $391. After that, we had a pump. All the altcoin market actually rose, Bitcoin included. Bitcoin went to set new all-time highs, Ethereum went to set new all-time highs, but Bitcoin Cash didn't do that. Bitcoin Cash went to as high as $700 in September. It dumped again in November, December, when Bitcoin was setting new all-time highs. Ethereum was setting new all-time highs of 4,800. Bitcoin Cash only got to as high as $729. Since then, we have been dumping for Bitcoin Cash. Yes, we had this rally in April 2022, but Bitcoin Cash couldn't even get to as high as $400, and then we continued dumping. From the all-time high, Bitcoin Cash is down 93%. Should we start accumulating Bitcoin Cash right now? Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the weekly. Guys, the chart doesn't look really pretty, but if there's anything history has showed us, that when the chart doesn't look pretty is when you want to be accumulating a lot of these altcoins. Let's look at the previous bear market for Bitcoin Cash. The previous bear market for Bitcoin Cash was very, very brutal. Bitcoin Cash went from as high as $4,198 per Bitcoin Cash to as low as $77 at the depth of the bear market, and it took Bitcoin Cash just 1 year to lose over 98% of its value. Crazy that Bitcoin Cash dropped that low in the previous bear market. And guys, when the bull run came back, yes, Bitcoin Cash pumped, yes, Bitcoin Cash and went into profit from $77. But if you bought the bottom right here, you would have been singing kumbaya, because guys, from $77, Bitcoin Cash actually pumps over 1,900%. That's how it performs in the bull market. In the bull market, basically everything goes up in a straight line, because Bitcoin is going up, Ethereum is going up, there's good sentiment in the market, everybody's buying everything, hoping it will go to previous all-time highs, hoping we'll make money and all. But Bitcoin Cash couldn't set a new all-time high. Bitcoin Cash just got to this resistance level. You can see that Bitcoin Cash price has interacted with this level quite a number of times before we interacted with that level in May 2021, and when we are dumping, the first relief rally we had in May 2018, as coincidence we have it, exactly 3 years after we had that rally, we had another rally again. We had this rally in May 2018. 3 years later, we had the same rally again that took us back to that level. We couldn't break through it. And we even had that rally before we went to new all-time highs in 2017. Bitcoin Cash chilled around that $1,500, $1,600 region. And we can see that anytime Bitcoin Cash gets to that level, that's when you want to be selling your Bitcoin Cash. But right now, and the play is already out there. I think if Bitcoin Cash gets to that level, we're going to break into new all-time highs. I can see a world where Bitcoin Cash will consolidate, will pump maybe to around $600, get people bullish, come back again and reaccumulation, and then we'll go to new all-time highs. Guys, at some point in time, Bitcoin Cash is going to break its previous all-time high. That time might not be now, that time might not be tomorrow, but sometime in the future. Right now, we have to ask ourselves, where can we accumulate more Bitcoin Cash? The all-time low for Bitcoin Cash is at $79. We're very, very close to the all-time low. We talked about this in the previous video. Guys, Bitcoin Cash just needs to drop another 15% for it to get to its all-time low. Is it the time to start accumulating? I will say yes, guys, because in the previous bear market, if Bitcoin Cash dropped 98% from its all-time high, this was its first market cycle for Bitcoin Cash. Let's assume, this is just hypothetical, this is not financial advice, I'm just drawing out possible scenarios right here, guys. If Bitcoin Cash is going to drop another, let's say 85-86%, because a lot of these altcoins in their first bear market, they'll lose 94% of their value, just like Ethereum, just like Bitcoin. Then the next bear market, maybe the coin is more matured, maybe it will not just dump as hard, maybe we'll have more hodlers, and we see Bitcoin Cash maybe losing just 85% of its value, and which Bitcoin Cash has done more than that already. So Bitcoin Cash now is just down 93% of its value. If Bitcoin Cash will replicate what it did in the previous bear market, Bitcoin Cash is going to lose more than 98% of its value. That will see Bitcoin Cash going to around $41. From where we are right now, we still need Bitcoin Cash to drop another 50%. Is it possible? Guys, very, very possible, but we have to start accumulating on Bitcoin Cash right now. And I think this price point is very, 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 very attractive, because if Bitcoin is going to find its bottom at some point in time, you expect Bitcoin Cash to do that. And if we look back at 2018 and say, where was the bottom for Bitcoin Cash? When did that relief rally start? And we can see that the relief rally started for Bitcoin Cash when Bitcoin actually found its bottom, December 2018. So we want to be paying close attention to Bitcoin, because immediately Bitcoin finds its bottom, that's around the region we want to be buying some Bitcoin Cash. But guys, another reason is that we need to start buying Bitcoin Cash right now. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'll be doing. Another reason why I'll be buying Bitcoin Cash right now is that, guys, you can't pinpoint the bottom. You can't say, oh, this is the exact bottom, this is where we will start pumping. You can see that when the market looks really ugly, that's when you want to be buying. For Bitcoin Cash last final dump, Bitcoin Cash went down another 60%. Right now, I'm sure that when Bitcoin Cash was in this level, $422 level, a lot of people thought that was the bottom for Bitcoin Cash. It can't possibly go any lower. How will a coin come from $4,000 below $400? When Bitcoin Cash broke that level, Bitcoin Cash was down around 90% from its all-time high, which was what a lot of altcoins do in the bear market. The all-time low for Bitcoin Cash then was around $206. A lot of people didn't know we could break the all-time low, but guys, we did it. Bitcoin Cash dropped 98% and we broke that low. And if history repeating itself, are we going to see Bitcoin Cash drop another 40-50%? It's very, very possible, but guys, this time looks like it's different. I know that's the worst word to say in finance. This time is different. But guys, you can be seeing that since when we have been dumping from May 2021, guys, we didn't have any massive relief rally like that. We've just been dumping basically in a straight line. Yes, this dump is very, very brutal, but at some point in time, we're going to get a relief rally. And guys, guess what? That relief rally is going to be very, very brutal also. So maybe we'll just have a double bottom right here, and Bitcoin Cash will bottom around $77. Then we'll get our relief rally that will take us up to that $400 region. That will represent a 400% pump in Bitcoin Cash. I don't think Bitcoin Cash will get that high when we get to relief rally. I can see Bitcoin Cash dropping to maybe $79. Then we'll get a relief rally to around $200. Look very, very possible, because guys, price has interacted with this region a few number of times. Even when we're dumping right now in the dump, you can see that price consolidated at that region at some point in time. During the COVID sell-off, when price pierced through this region, this was a good buying opportunity. And even when we had our automatic rally in 2018, after we finished dumping, price ran straight to that region. So that's a very, very important region for Bitcoin Cash. I think when Bitcoin Cash gets to this $79 region, we're going to bounce, because guys, only once in history has Bitcoin Cash traded for below $100, and it was during the 2018 bear market at the bottom. Will history repeat itself? Only time will tell. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash performance against Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin Cash performance against Bitcoin has been really, really terrible. Bitcoin Cash has been losing massive value against Bitcoin since its inception. The top of Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin came right here in 2017, and since then, Bitcoin Cash has lost more than 98% of its value against Bitcoin. Yes, we used to have some rallies on the way. We had a rally right here from December 2018 when the bottom of Bitcoin came in, to 2019 when the whole market rallied. Bitcoin Cash rallied. It gained value against Bitcoin in that period in time. It gained more than 168% of its value against Bitcoin in that point in time. That was good returns for Bitcoin Cash. But guys, from that high Bitcoin Cash set in April 2019, Bitcoin Cash has not been able to take that high. Bitcoin Cash has just been setting lower lows, which is not very, very good to see. But at some point in time, the trend we have to reverse. At some point in time, we might probably see Bitcoin Cash gaining massive value against Bitcoin. But can it set a new all-time highs? guys, I don't think it can set a new all-time high against Bitcoin. Maybe to do that on other pairs, but on its Bitcoin pairing, a lot of these altcoins, after they set their first new all-time high in their first cycle, because a lot of people don't know how to value them in their first cycle, it's just speculation, everything up only, and that's why they set their new all-time highs against Bitcoin. And after that, when a lot of people understand how the asset class work and how the altcoin can bring changes to the world, we realize that, you know what, Bitcoin is still king. It will keep dipping against Bitcoin, and we had lower lows here against Bitcoin and lower highs till we start setting higher highs and higher lows against Bitcoin. Maybe that will be when to flip your Bitcoin for some Bitcoin Cash. But right now you can see that we set a new lower low right here, then we set another lower high. We set another new lower low right here, we set another lower high. Even the 2021 rally in the altcoin market where Bitcoin Cash had a little rally, it went up 20x, but against Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash only pumped 233% from March 2021 to May 2021. That was when Bitcoin Cash had his major rally against Bitcoin in his whole bull market cycle, and it went up only 233%. Right now, Bitcoin Cash from that rally is still down 81%. Guys, at some point in time, we have to start accumulating Bitcoin Cash. Is this the time to start accumulating it? History will show that yes, maybe this is the time to start dollar cost averaging to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is at an all-time low against Bitcoin. And guys, when you hear these coins are all-time low against Bitcoin, that's when you want to start pinching small here, small there. But you want to look at the US dollar price charts of Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. You want to make sure Bitcoin has found its bottom, because guys, if there's trouble in Bitcoin paradise, there's trouble in all the crypto market. Bitcoin basically controls the market. If Bitcoin is dumping, all coins are dumping. If Bitcoin is pumping, all coins are pumping. And right now, Bitcoin Cash is dumping really hard because Bitcoin is dumping really hard. Now, the important levels for Bitcoin Cash during this bear market will be this $200 level. If we can break through it, Kumbaya will be singing praises. If we can take out this high we set on the 31st of March 2022, that's around us $376 to $415 region. This is a critical level for Bitcoin Cash. I would say Bitcoin Cash doing something like this in the bear market, maybe consolidate, drop small, go here like this, consolidate, then we'll go back to Goblin Town. Probably only time will tell you if I'm right, but for Bitcoin Cash to get back to 1,500, it has to pass $200. We have to break through that resistance. We have to break through $415, and we have to break through the mama jammer of resistance, which is around that $700, $800. Will Bitcoin Cash break this level anytime soon? Only time will tell. We still have extreme fear in the crypto market. History has shown that when there's extreme fear in the market, that's when you want to be buying. Will you be buying right now, guys? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, when will you be buying some Bitcoin Cash? Because guys, Bitcoin Cash against Ethereum is at an all-time low. Will you be flipping your Ethereum for some Bitcoin Cash? That might be very, very risky to do during the bear market. When you want to be buying all these altcoins, you want to be buying them during the bull market when the market is in easy mode. But guys, when you want to be accumulating them, you want to accumulating them during the bear market, so that when the market goes back to easy mode in the bull run, you'll be singing Kumbaya. You'll be telling people, you know what, I was buying Bitcoin Cash when it was $100 during the bear market. Right now, Bitcoin Cash probably trading for $5,000 at 50x my money. Is that what you'll be saying at the height of the bull run? Or will you be following back into Bitcoin Cash when it gets to $400, $700? Only time will tell. And the Bitcoin Cash market cap chart is almost setting a new all-time low. The highest Bitcoin Cash market cap has gone $73 billion. Bitcoin Cash got there on 17th December 2017. In the 2021 bull run, Bitcoin Cash could only get to as high as $29 billion. And from there, Bitcoin Cash has been dumping really hard. Bitcoin Cash market cap right now is at $1.9 billion. The all-time low for Bitcoin Cash market cap is around $1.3 billion. Are we going to go lower than that? Only time will tell right now. History has shown that when the chart looks really, really ugly, when the chart looks really, really bearish, that's when you want to be buying. You can see that in 2018, and nobody would have wanted to touch Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash was down more than 98% from its all-time high. But just like everything, with every dumps comes accumulation period, and then comes markup period, and then comes under distribution, and then comes under dump. Right now, this time too shall pass. After this dump, we're going to get an accumulation period, we'll get the markup period, and then we'll get another dump. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you think Bitcoin Cash is going in the nearest future? It's currently trading for $100. Do you think it's going to pump? In the last 1 week, we had a pump in the altcoin market, and Bitcoin Cash didn't partake in that pump. Bitcoin Cash, before I finish recording this video right now, has gone below $100. Are we going to see the new all-time low? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.